Hi everyone, this is Radha. Welcome back to my channel CYR is English. Dear viewers, today in this video I am going to talk about the subordinating conjunctions of condition, in which we will learn how to use the subordinating conjunctions of condition in sentences. I hope by the end of this video, definitely you will be able to use the subordinating conjunctions of condition in sentences as well as in spoken English. So, if you are ready, let's get started. Subordinating conjunctions of condition. Remember, this is not about the if clause conditionals. Rather, this is subordinating conjunctions of condition, in which we will discuss about different conjunctions of the function of condition. Okay, we use subordinating conjunctions if, even if, as long as, in case, provided that, providing, once, only if, on the condition that, unless, etc. when referring to hypothetical situation. See, what is hypothetical situation? Yes, it means some imaginary situations which may not be true in reality. Okay, let's see with some examples. If, see, I have taken the conjunction if. If is the most common conjunction for hypothetical sentences. Yes, this is true. See, most of the people will very easily use this if conjunction in sentences. So, it is called the most common conjunction. Then we use it when one action is required for another to occur. See this required action and occurred action, both will go together, and one action is depends upon another action. Let's have a look at this example. If you give money, I will buy books. So it's very obvious. This sentence is started with subordinating clause. Okay. I will buy books is an independent clause. See, I have used comma here because this sentence is started with subordinating clause. I will buy books is an independent clause. Here, this action is depends upon this condition. So, that is why what we call condition. Okay. Now, moving on to this, I will buy you a bike. If you get distinction, this sentence is also makes same sense, but here we have started the sentence with an independent clause. Okay. If you start the sentence with an independent clause, you need not to use comma here. I will buy you a bike. When? If you get distinction, this is the condition. Okay. See, this action is depends upon the condition. If you get distinction, I will buy you a bike. It means if you don't get distinction, I won't buy you a bike. So, it's very clear. This is called hypothetical situations. The conjunctions, as long as, provided that, and providing, once, in case, on the condition that, only if, these all conjunctions give the same meaning as if. We will use all these conjunctions except, unless, and even if in the place of if. Okay, we can replace these conjunctions with if. Okay, let's see more about it with these examples. See, as long as you can stay with us as long as you like. You can replace this as long as with if. Okay. Let's start the sentence by replacing if. Okay. You can stay with us if you like. Okay. I replaced this conjunction with if here. Then even though you replace this conjunction with if, you can get the same sense or same meaning. Okay. Next, coming to this, provided that. Even this conjunction also gives the same meaning. You should buy a new TV provided that you get a bigger apartment. Okay, see, you can replace this with if. Then after replacing, you can read it once again. You should buy a new TV if you get a bigger apartment. Okay, hope you understood. See, this as long as, provided that, okay, in case, on the condition that, and only if. These all conjunctions are used in the place of if. Because the usage of these conjunctions all depends upon the requirement of the statement. Now coming to once. When do we use once in a sentence? Okay. Once I pass all my exams, I will be fully qualified. Again, you can replace this once with if. If I pass all my exams, I will be fully qualified. Isn't it? Hope you understood. So, once also indicates the if. Okay, once I pass all my exams, I will be fully qualified. So, this is also condition, what we call condition. Next, coming to usage of in case. I will take the cash in case I need it. Okay, here I will take the cash in case means if I necessary. Isn't it? In case I need it. It means if I want, I will take cash. Next, on the condition then. See, as this conjunction suggests, we can see the word condition in this conjunction. You will get the job on the condition that you will work overtime. Overtime means OT, what we call OT. No, doing work overtime. See, you will get the job. This is an independent clause. On the condition that you will work overtime. See, this is on the condition that sends us the word if. Okay, see, this is the condition. If he will work overtime, then he will get the job. So, this means like that. Now, unless. The usage of unless is slightly different than the above one. See, these conjunctions are used in the place of if or in the sense of if. Okay. But in this case, this unless is used in the sense of if not. Let's see with an example. You won't get distinction unless you work hard. Here, let's replace this unless with if not, then read. You won't get distinction if not you work hard. Otherwise, we could say, if you don't work hard, you won't get distinction. So, unless is used in the sense of if not. Next, coming to the conjunction even if. This usage is also slightly different than the above one. Here, even if is used in the sense of though or although. I will buy you a cake even if you don't help me. See here, this even if censors the word though. I will buy you a cake though you don't help me. See here, if we use though in the place of even if, it gives the same meaning. So, even if is used in the sense of though. Next, coming to only if. See, this only if conjunction censors as if. But only the difference is between if and only if is we have added the word only with the word if. That's it. We will perform a few songs only if the profit go to charity. Here, see, you can read this sentence by replacing if. We will perform a few songs if the profit go to charity. So, hope you understood. The conjunction only if is also used in the sense of if. So, in this way, we can use these. So, dear viewers, I hope today you have learned how to use subordinating conjunctions of condition in sentences as well as in spoken English. If you have any doubts or questions regarding this grammar, please leave comment and I'll try to give a reply. Let's meet in the next video with another topic. Until then, keep watching, keep learning.